If installing via the browser UI, we need to configure the web server to serve the Magento directory first. More information on which directory to choose as the document root is covered in the next video. For now, I'm just going to configure the web server without further explanation. Since I'm currently using Valet Plus, I'll run the valet link command. So m2tv example.test will be my development domain. And also before we start, the database needs to exist. I've already done that in the previous video, so I'll skip that step now. Okay, so now the web server is configured. Let's open the browser, and then we'll use our development domain name and the path setup. Okay, ready to go on. Foobar buzz. Hello. Here we go. That is correct. This will be just admin. That's fine for now. Here we can choose to deactivate a bunch of modules. Let's get rid of that stuff here. It doesn't really matter, depends on what we want. And we're ready. In this console log, we will be able to see all the output that we can also see on the command line. Okay, and we're done. Granted, the UI looks nicer than the command line, but the CLI is quicker and I like being closer to the code with less layers in between, so I think I'll continue to use the terminal in future. You feel free to use whatever you feel more comfortable with.